Hey there, I'm Lee from Homes by CDLS. We've gotten Dynamic to design and construct the frames and trusses for 10 portables for the Bridgewater Caravan Park. We got into the portal business about a year and a half ago, and we've just slowly been growing with the knowledge from Dynamic. Come down, sat down with them, they showed me what they do, how they do it, how it's engineered better than the timber frames that we use traditionally on all our home builds. They don't twist, groan, move, and Peter has been a very big help with the design. His knowledge has helped out a lot. So working with Dynamic has made our life easier. You've got your engineering in-house, you've got your design in-house. The knowledge with your Hyperspan is why I feel comfortable using it and putting it into my client's property. Collaboration between Homes by CDLS and Dynamic has worked well. We bring in the ideas and then the team at Dynamic come back with how we can construct it, and that's where the light gauge subfloor come in. Instead of the old way where we used to run big I-beams underneath the units, Dynamic come to us with an idea and said this is a new way, it's lighter, it's a lot stronger. So that's why we've gone down this path with the knowledge from Dynamic. It's worked out really well. We've got 6 or 8 of them on site now and there's no movement. The good part about the pre-made frames and the light gauge steel is one, it's a lot lighter, and two, the construction phase is a lot quicker. So we can build these in a factory environment and then bring them out on site, so we're only on site for a couple of weeks. We take about 3.5 months to go from start to finish. So these ones here that are here today, we started about 3 months ago, and so the subfloor frames and trusses, they all get built within a day. And then because it's in a factory environment, the trades roll through with the plastering, and every trade, because they can do multiple at once, that's why we get down to the 3 months instead of 5 to 6 months that we do as a standard build.